Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and get ready for another studio session. You can sign up at that website you just saw. You can rewind it if you like. It's just $50 for a session, a 20-minute session. You end up with 5 photos. Here you'll see some photos of these two adorable girls just were not having it at all. You can kind of see here how it's going and what we're doing. These are quick 20-minute sessions, so if your kid isn't used to taking photos, then 20 minutes is probably all we're gonna get from them. But we'll end up with some great photos. Do you think we can get her to move
in the middle?
In the middle?
Mom, you take a balloon. Yeah, he has balloons.
Oh, you guys can have one if you cooperate.
You want a balloon? He says you have to put your dress on and he'll give. Where does he put his
camera's right there, okay? Smile. Show your clean teeth. Let me see your clean teeth.
Let me see.
Look.
Wow.
Show the camera the clean teeth.
Wow, those are clean. They're super clean. How'd you get them to be so clean?
I brush my teeth.
Wow. What's that?
Every day.
What's that? Are they twins?
Yeah, they're twins.
I was like, wait. But can you get her to move back a tiny bit more?
Yeah.
Right there, yeah.
Wow, mommy. Wow. I'll go with you. Come on, I'll walk with you. Okay, take a picture so we can get a balloon, okay? I'm gonna stand right here.
You think we can get them to be right beside each other?
Tell me how.
Being right beside each other is super important to get everybody in focus. That's the one that's not ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? Let's work with her first.
Okay.
And then maybe get the balloon and see, like dangle it in front of her, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can get both, one for each. So I know my studio is messy. I cleaned it up since, trust me, but I have tons of seats available just to give the photos variety. It would be better, of course, if the kid was smiling. Then we can get a lot of different kinds of photos. Don't pop it?
Oh, no puppy, no puppy. Mama's just kidding.
Well, if you want the balloon, we have to take pictures. It's like a fair deal, right?
It is a fair deal.
Okay.
Like I bought that balloon just for you.
And I give it to you
It
when you're
was here
done.
waiting for
But
you.
smile at the camera. Smile.
Cheese, wow, qué bonita mi princesa.
So from here on, I don't have any more GoPro footage, so you'll just hear my voice now. You can see I have both girls together, one girl at a time. Having two kids on the screen, in the shot at once is more difficult, just because one can be looking and one not. I think I took about 350 photos in just 20 minutes, which is a crazy high number. And I ended up editing maybe 20, 25. I do a lot of skin retouching, even though these are kids and they don't need it. I think it kind of makes it nicer. These two girls are just so cute. I just really wish we could have got some more smiles out of them. So I'm gonna see them again. Hopefully they'll remember me. They'll remember I gave them a balloon. Maybe I'll bring a lollipop for them. But you know, I'll be able to get some more smiles out of them. The more kids see me, the more they get used to me, I think. And so that kind of works out for kids that I've seen for years and years and years now. So I'm sure next time I see these two beautiful little girls, they'll smile a little bit and they'll give me even more variety to the photos. But in the meantime, these photos are super nice and we ended up getting some really nice ones. Of course, I always wish we can get a lot more nice ones. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. It really helps me out. And I hope you book, because you're going to love your photos if you do.